Dear student, today we will discuss about the UG course syllabus, what you need to study in the UG course for the entomology classes, like fundamental of entomology that is taught in the UG course in the first year. The code number is UENT 101 and it is a 4 credit course 3+1, and it is mostly taught in all the agriculture university. So I'll be now teaching you about what all are things you need to study under this course, fundamental of entomology. Entomology means study of insects. So here you will be going to study the history of entomology, like from where the entomology has been started and what is the significant contribution of different scientists, and then major point related to dominance of insecta in animal kingdom, like why insect is so much dominant in animal kingdom. There are different phylum and different class, among which the insecta is one of the class which belong to the hexapoda. So why they are so much dominant? They account more than 60%. So what is the reason for their dominance? Then we will study the classification of phylum Arthropoda. The insect is belong to phylum Arthropoda. So we'll be studying up to the class, like different class we will be studying. So Arthropoda having the different classes, like your Onychophora, Arachnida, Chelicerata, Diplopoda. These are different classes. So all will be studied in detail. And then relationship of class insecta with other classes, like how they are related, correlated with the other class of arthropods. Then structure and function of insect cuticle and molting you are going to study. Then body segmentation, like different segments. Insect's head is made up of different segment, like structure of head, thorax and abdomen. Then structural modification of insect antenna and leg. Insect having a different kind of antenna, the different types of antenna insect having, and different types of leg they having. So those you need to study. And then structure and modification of insect mouth part. So insect mouth part, what all are structural modification will be like housefly having the different mouth part, and honeybee having the different mouth part. Then you'll be dealing with the wing venation, modification of wing coupling apparatus and wing coupling apparatus. So wing insect wing used to have. So what kind of venation is there? Different different insect having the different wing venation, and they wing joined together with some coupling apparatus to the body, so that you will be studied. Then metamorphosis and dipause in insect. So how the insect grow, what all are changes take place in body, that is called metamorphosis. And dipause, that is a resting state. When insect become inactive, they go to the rest stage, so that is called dipause state. Then types of larva and pupa, what all are different kind of larva and pupa is there. Then structure and function of digestive system. So digestive system which involve in digestion is called digestive system, which involve different organs. So what all are its structure and function of digestive systems can be studied. Then you'll be study the structure and function of circulatory system, which involve in blood circulation, or in case of insect, that hemolymph circulation. Then structure and function excretory system, that the system involved in excretion. Then respiratory system you will be studying in the system involved in respiration. Then nervous system, reproductive system, and all structural and functional modification, and in detail you will be studying. And then types of reproduction in insect having different kind of reproduction: sexual reproduction, asexual reproduction, parthenogenesis, pedogenesis. So all those things you will be studying. Then structure of male and female genital organ will be studied in this course. So in male insect and female insect genital organ. Then secretory system of insect, like insect also secretes some kind of hormones like human secretes. So what all are hormone is secreted, from where it's secreted, and what's its function will be studied. Then major sensory organ, like simple and compound eye, chemoreceptor in insect. So what the organ involved in sensation, to receive the sensation, that will be dealing in this topic. And the compound eye, and simple eye insect having two kind of eye, that is simple eye and compound eye. Then chemoreceptor, the receptor are sensory organ which are get activated through the chemical response. And then insect ecology will be studied. Insect ecology may what is the insect ecology and what is environment and its different component and its response to with interaction with the insect will be studied. Then effect of biotic factor, like what all are biotic factor is we deals with, that is the temperature, moisture and humidity. So what is its effect in the insect growth and development. And then effect of abiotic factor like other factor like rainfall, light, atmospheric pressure and air current, what all are its response to the insects. So then effect of biotic factor, what all are biotic factor is there, like food competition, the one insect compete with the other insect with the food. And then natural and environmental resistance, whatever will be there, that will be comes under biotic factor. Then different category of pest will be, you will be studying like seasonal pest, sporadic pest, epidemic pest, endemic pest. So these different kind of pest will be studied. Then concept of IPM, like integrated pest management, what it is exactly. So in that what all are component is there, like cultural, physical, mechanical, so that you need to be studied. And then practice, what all are practice is there, and what is the scope of integrated pest management, then limitation of integrated pest management. Then different classification of insecticide you will be studying, what all are different classification of insecticide is there. Then toxicity of, like here organophosphate, pyrethrin and different kind of insecticide is there, all you will be studying. Then toxicity of insecticide and formulation of insecticide. So based on different classes, what are all is toxicity is there, then what all are different formulation are available, like in it is available in dust form or liquid form or water dispersible form. So those you need to study. Then chemical control importance, like we kill the insect to save our crop through the chemical. So how we are going to control, which group of insect will be controlled through which chemical. And then its hazard, what all are hazard is there, like how it will be harmful to the us, our natural enemy, or to the environment. Then what is its limitation. Then recent method of pest control will come, that is a repellent, like how to repel the insect. Then antefident, we can spray something which insect will not eat. And then hormone, these are new techniques has been evolved which that insect can be controlled. Then recent method of pest control, again you will be studying about attractant and radiation. Then coming to other insecticide act 1968, you will be studying like how insecticide act has came, and like how you it is useful and what all are clause are given, that you will be studying. Then application technique, spray food, like symptom of poisoning, first aid and antidote you will be studying. Then systematics comes, systematics like insect taxonomy you will be, and how it is arranged, that you will be studying its importance, history and development, how it has developed and who all scientists has contributed for the systematics. And then binomial nomenclature, any organism we name through the binomial nomenclature, so that you will be studying. And then definition of different terminology, like what is biotype, subspecies, species, genus, family and order, all this will be dealt in this topic. And then classification of class insecta up to order you will be studying, like what all are different order is there, so that classification you will be studying, like ametabola, metabola, apterus, hemipterus, and those classes, like based on the wing characteristics or based on whatever characteristics. Then basic group of present day insect you will be studying. Then order and families of agriculture important, like different order you will be studying, orthoptera. And then different some family also you will be studying under that. So Dictyoptera you will be study, and where mantid and blattid come. Then Odonata where dragonfly come. Then Isoptera where termite, Thysanoptera, thrips you will be studying. Hemiptera, different bugs are there, like pentatomid bug, porid, simidi, pyrocoridae, ligidae. Cicadelidae, Delphosidae, Epididae, Coccidae, Lophopidae, Elrodidae, and Pseudococcidae. These are family you will be studying with examples. And then Neuroptera, Chrysopidae, you will be studying the Lepidoptera. There is a different family like Pieridae, Papilionidae, Noctidae, Sphingidae, Pyralidae, Gellichidae, Archetidae, Saturnidae, and Bombycidae. So these all family you will be studying under the order Lepidoptera. And then Coleoptera, there are different family like Coccinellidae, Chrysomelidae, these all family you will be studying. Then other order Hymenoptera you will be studying, and these family you will be studying in detail. And then Ephididae you will be studying. So these all families you are going to study in detail comes under the different order. So these syllabus dealt with the UG syllabus, that is Fundamental of Entomology, that is the first year course taught in the UG. So you have to further the different classes also will be uploaded topic wise in this link, so you can subscribe to get the further videos of this.